I found a tiny gadget that keeps your files backed up anywhere, another one that makes capturing travel moments effortless, and this small tool that lets you mount your phone perfectly on flights. 12 tiny travel gadgets you'll want ASAP, and honestly, some of these are gonna make you rethink how you pack. Links to everything are in the description because a few of these you're gonna want immediately. Let's start with something that could replace every charger in your bag, the Rory Palm Go portable charger. With a 10,000 milliamp capacity, it can easily recharge your phone many times. It includes a built-in USB-C connector and a magnetic Apple Watch charger. Just plug and go. It supports 22.5-watt fast charging, so you're not left waiting around at airports. A digital display keeps you informed of your remaining battery level, and the lanyard cleverly doubles as a cable, rounding out a very smart design. Despite all these features, it's still tiny and genuinely pocketable. Meet the Tightener T-Capsule, your complete grooming kit in a tiny capsule. This tiny titanium system combines a razor and a toothbrush, both of which snap into place with a magnetic locking mechanism, so you can swap tools in seconds. The razor works with standard blades for easy upkeep, while the toothbrush module is fully customizable. A built-in storage compartment holds toothpaste tablets and other small essentials. With dedicated ventilation and drainage, the T-Capsule keeps everything dry and hygienic even when you're on the move. Our next tiny essential is the eGet 512GB flash drive. It delivers SSD-level speeds, so you can transfer massive files like 4K videos in seconds instead of minutes. That makes it incredibly useful for travelers, creators, and anyone who works with large files. It includes both USB-C and USB-A, so it works with your phone, laptop, and most other devices. The metal body adds durability, and the swivel design protects the connectors without a separate cap. Whether you're backing up photos, carrying movies, or just freeing up space, this gadget quickly becomes indispensable. Meet the Canon IV Travel Camera, a tiny camera that clips right onto your bag or belt. Just clip it on and start recording. No screen, no complicated setup, just simple point and shoot. It captures full HD video and crisp photos, and when you want more control, connect it to your phone for a live preview and quick sharing. Plus, it's waterproof and shockproof, so you don't have to treat it delicately like a regular camera. It's ideal for capturing travel moments you don't want to miss without reaching for your phone every time. Say goodbye to awkward neck angles on flights with the Joy Room airplane phone holder. It clips securely onto tray tables, luggage handles, desks, almost anything, holding your phone at eye level for more comfortable viewing on long trips. Strong magnets let you attach your phone one-handed, and the included ring ensures compatibility even without MagSafe. With 360-degree rotation, you can easily dial in the perfect viewing angle for watching, scrolling, or video calls. When you're finished, it folds down compactly so it's easy to slip into your pocket or bag. Our next travel essential is the Mini Travel Sewing Kit. Inside, you'll find needles, multicolored threads, small scissors, pins, buttons, and a needle threader, all neatly organized so nothing gets lost or tangled. Designed for quick fixes, not complex projects, it's perfect even if you've never sewn before. Compact enough for a pocket, bag, or glove compartment, it still holds everything you truly need. You might not use it daily, but when something goes wrong, it becomes one of the most valuable things you packed. The next thing you need for travel is this 4-in-1 USB-C cable. This single cable replaces multiple ones by supporting USB-C, Lightning, and USB-A connections, meaning it works with almost every device you carry. With support to up to 240-watt fast charging, it can power laptops as easily as phones. The built-in display shows real-time wattage, letting you see exactly how fast your device is charging, an uncommon feature in most cables. Its braided, tangle-resistant design adds durability, making it ideal for life on the go as well as everyday desk use. Next tiny thing you need in your bag is a good nail clipper. This MR Green foldable nail clipper is premium, sharp, precise, and gives you a clean cut every time. You also get a built-in nail file and cleaner, so it's not just clippers, it's a complete mini grooming tool. The folding mechanism also keeps the sharp edges safely covered, making it much safer to carry around. They're designed to fold completely flat, which means they take up almost no space and can easily slide into your pocket, wallet, or travel pouch without even noticing them. Still carrying a full-size perfume bottle? This atomizer perfume sprayer is a smarter option. With its simple bottom fill system, you can transfer your favorite fragrance in seconds. The small 10 milliliter capacity gives you over 100 sprays, more than enough for a full trip. Wrapped in sleek leather, it feels premium in hand and is designed to be completely leak-proof, so you can toss it in your bag without a second thought. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference, especially when you want to stay fresh during long travel days. Our next travel essential is the Type R travel luggage scale. Airlines enforce strict weight limits, and going even slightly over can lead to unexpected fees. With this scale, you'll always know your bag's weight before you reach the airport. Simply hook it onto your luggage, lift, and see the weight instantly. If you're over the limit, it alerts you, giving you time to rearrange or remove items before it becomes a problem. A comfortable grip, sturdy strap, and precise readings make it a reliable travel companion on every trip. Meet your new travel essential, the magnetic smartphone shooting holder. It snaps onto your phone with a strong magnetic connection, giving you a solid, comfortable grip that makes your phone feel like a real camera. You'll notice the difference instantly. Smoother, steadier shots with less effort. A detachable remote lets you snap photos or start recording from a distance, ideal for group shots, solo content, or hands-free filming. When you're not shooting, it folds into a sturdy stand for watching videos or taking video calls. Small gadget, big upgrade for photos and videos. The final essential in the video is the Milli Smart Tracking Tag, a tiny tracker that helps you keep tabs on important items. Attach it to your keys, slip it into your bag, or drop it into your luggage and track everything from your phone. It works with both Apple and Android tracking networks, so you're not tied to one system. If your item is nearby, trigger a sound to find it quickly. If it's farther away, it uses a global network of devices to help you locate it. It's small, lightweight, and runs for months on a replaceable battery, so you don't have to worry about constant charging. So those were 12 tiny travel gadgets you'll want ASAP. If you want to check out any of these gadgets, all the links are in the description below. And if you want to see some tiny tech gadgets, check out the next video.